Question number 1. The port of Mumbai is located on which sea coast? Option A, Bay of Bengal. B, Indian Ocean. C, Andaman Sea. D, Arabian Sea. Answer is option D, Arabian Sea. Question number 2. Which port in India is famous for its shipbuilding industry? Option A, Mumbai Port. B, Visakhapatnam Port. C, Kochi Port. D, Mormugao Port. Answer is option C, Kochi Port. Question number 3. Which of the following is India's first port built by the British East India Company? Option A, Mumbai Port. B, Kolkata Port. C, Kochi Port. D, Chennai Port. Answer is option B, Kolkata Port. Question number 4. Which port in India has introduced the single window system for faster customs clearance and cargo processing? Option A, Visakhapatnam Port. B, Jawaharlal Nehru Port. C, Mundra Port. D, Chennai Port. Answer is option A, Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Question number 5. The Deen Dayal Port is the new name for which of the following ports? Option A, Mumbai Port. B, Kolkata Port. C, Kochi Port. D, Kandla Port. Answer is option D, Kandla Port. Question number 6. Which of the following ports is located in the Andaman and Nicobar Island? Option A, Chennai Port. B, Port Blair Port. C, Kochi Port. D, Mangalore Port. Answer is option B, Port Blair Port. Question number 7. Which port in India is situated in the state of Andhra Pradesh? Option A, Mumbai Port. B, Paradip Port. C, Visakhapatnam Port. D, Chennai Port. Answer is option C, Visakhapatnam Port. Question number 8. The Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust is situated in which state? Option A, Gujarat. B, Maharashtra. C, Tamil Nadu. D, Kerala. Answer is option B, Maharashtra. Question number 9. Which port is also known as the Port of Kolkata? Option A, Haldia Port. B, Chennai Port. C, Visakhapatnam Port. D, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port. Answer is option D, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port. Question number 10. Which of the following is the deepest port in India? Option A, Chennai Port. B, Kolkata Port. C, Visakhapatnam Port. D, Paradip Port. Answer is option C, Visakhapatnam Port. Question number 11. Which port is located in the state of Odisha? Option A, Paradip Port. B, Kolkata Port. C. Kochi Port, D. Haldia Port. Answer is option A. Paradip Port. Question number 12. The Union Government of India established which port in the year 1989 as a free trade zone? Option A. Mundra Port, B. Jawaharlal Nehru Port, C. Cochin Port, D. Mumbai Port. Answer is option B. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Question number 13. Which port is situated in the state of Tamil Nadu close to the city of Tuticorin? Option A. Mundra Port, B. Kochi Port, C. Chennai Port, D. Tuticorin Port. Answer is option D. Tuticorin Port. Question number 14. Which is the first port in India to be developed under the public-private partnership model? Option A. Jawaharlal Nehru Port, B. Kolkata Port, C. Paradip Port, D. Mumbai Port. Answer is option A. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Question number 15. The Haldia Dock Complex is located in which state? Option A. Tamil Nadu, B. West Bengal, C. Gujarat, D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer is option B. West Bengal. Question number 16. Which port in India is known for handling bulk cargo like coal, iron ore, and cargo containers? Option A. Paradip Port, B. Kochi Port, C. Mangalore Port, D. Kandla Port. Answer is option A. Paradip Port. Question number 17. Which port is known for its shipbuilding industry? Option A. Chennai Port, B. Mumbai Port, C. Mangalore Port, D. Kochi Port. Answer is option D. Kochi Port. Question number 18. Which port in India is recognized for having a marine training facility? Option A. Kochi Port, B. Chennai Port, C. Mumbai Port, D. Kolkata Port. Answer is option C. Mumbai Port. Question number 19. Which of the following ports is an all-weather deep water port located in the state of Tamil Nadu? Option A. Mangalore Port, B. Chennai Port, C. Kochi Port, D. Tuticorin Port. Answer is option D. Tuticorin Port. Question number 20. Which port in India has the world's largest container terminal operated by a private entity? Option A. Visakhapatnam Port, B. Mundra Port, C. Chennai Port, D. Mumbai Port. Answer is option B. Mundra Port. Question number 21. Which port is located at the head of the Bay of Bengal and is known for its cruise terminals? Option A Kolkata Port, B Kochi Port, C Chennai Port, D Mumbai Port. Answer is option A Kolkata Port. Question number 22. Which port is located in Gujarat and is famous for the Mundra Port Special Economic Zone? Option A Kandla Port, B Mundra Port, C Mumbai Port, D Paradip Port. Answer is option B Mundra Port. Question number 23. Which port is located in the state of Andhra Pradesh and is one of the most modern ports in India? Option A Vishakhapatnam Port, B Mangalore Port, C Kochi Port, D Chennai Port. Answer is option A Vishakhapatnam Port. Question number 24. Which of the following is the oldest port in India known for handling trade with Southeast Asia? Option A Kochi Port, B Chennai Port, C Mumbai Port, D Kolkata Port. Answer is option D Kolkata Port. Question number 25. The Sagar Island located near Kolkata is part of the port development for which Indian port? Option A Paradip Port, B Mumbai Port, C Kolkata Port, D Chennai Port. Answer is option C Kolkata Port.